Ultra-cheap, homemade fabric softener. What if I told you that you can make a powerful fabric softener at home for pennies? Today, I'm showing you how to make an incredibly cheap, yet highly effective, homemade fabric softener using ingredients you probably already have. 1. Water and amp vinegar. Start by adding 3 cups of water into a bowl. Next, pour in 1.5 cups of white vinegar. This is the secret that softens fabrics naturally and removes residue. 2. Scent. Now for the scent, use any fragrance you like. I'm going with lavender. Add 1 tablespoon for that fresh, clean smell. And if you want to stay completely chemical-free, you can actually stop right here. This alone makes an excellent fabric softener. 3. Conditioner hack. But if you want to take it to the next level, add 1 cup of hair conditioner, and here's the key. Get the cheapest one you can find. No luxury brands. Now whisk everything together until it's fully combined and silky smooth. Pour your mixture into a jar or reuse an old fabric softener bottle. And just like that, you've made your own homemade fabric softener. It's easy, it's effective, and it costs about 1/10 of the store-bought version. Use it exactly like regular fabric softener. Just pour the same amount into your washing machine's softener compartment. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more home-saving tips.